Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to copy a table in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion, and then from here, we're going to produce a table. So to do that, we are here in the untitled page, and we're going to click on table. Click on table and then select a data source right here. So in my case, I'll just go for a journal for an example right here. And from here, you can only duplicate this or copy the link to view of this one. There is no function that would literally copy the whole table right here. So what you can do is that you can go here, navigate into pages. You can click on the three dots, and then from here, you can click on duplicate, and then it would now produce a copy of the table right here. Or what you can do is you can also go here into the three dots right here on the right side, right there. And then from here, you can copy a link to view, and you can also duplicate this if you want to. So let's first click on duplicate view. And then as you can see, there are now two views right here of the same one, which is just a copy. And then you can also go and click on copy link to view right here. And what this does is that when you add a page, and then when you paste the link right here, click on paste the link, and then when you click on that link, it would take you to this page right here. So yeah, that are your those are your options on how you can copy your table right here in Notion. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.